Oh man, that's really hard to read. It's really boring. I go, yeah, that's why they did the videos. So what do you want? You do want scientific reports, or you don't want? Oh, it's just too much to think about. I think I'm just gonna do what the doctor says. I just think.
Well, that's people's choice. People have the right to choose that.
I don't have a problem, and I usually keep quiet, but I just have a few friends that keep asking me, why aren't you vaccinating your girl? And they keep pressing it, and I go, well, here, more.
So what, the children aren't vaccinated? Do you know about homeopathic immunisation?
No, that would be really interesting.
I sent your dad an article with the latest data.
Yeah, we got the email last night, and I didn't. I didn't
We'll
have
save
time
a copy, and when he goes home, you can have a look at it. But
yeah, it's in my.
If you have a look at my webpage, there's a lot of there's a summary of data there. There's a little video down the bottom, and there's a couple of videos when I was in Cuba collecting data. So it's not all. You don't have to read all of it, but.
Well, I mean, what would you think would be the diseases that you would really want to?
Well, in Australia, I have a 6.5 year program, which starts at 1 month of age and goes to 6.5, and in the main program, it covers what I think are the top 5. So that's whooping cough, pneumococcal disease, Haemophilus influenzae, meningococcal disease, and tetanus. And then what I call the supplementary program, there's remedies for polio, Hep B, measles, rotavirus, flu, and a remedy for tetanus wounds. So it doesn't have, is a potentially serious disease because that's not present in any major way in Australia. But if you're travelling overseas,